Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. Begin by taking nice deep breaths as if you were asleep. Do this for a moment until you feel your body starting to relax. In this meditation, you will hear a bell. Each time that the bell rings, pay attention to how it makes your body feel. If you do not feel something in your body, just breathe deeply, relax, and listen. Listen to the bell a couple of times, and just notice if you feel anything in your mind or body. Focus on your heart now. Listen to the bell a couple of times and try to notice how it makes your heart feel. Focus now on the space between your eyebrows. Notice if you feel anything here when you hear the sound of the bell. Focus now on your belly. Listen to the bell and notice if it makes you feel anything in your belly. And now, with each sound of the bell, let your body feel more and more relaxed. Relax your body. Soften your breath. Breathe deeply. Let yourself feel heavy. Relax fully. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.